Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, there's no outro, it's just this hoe. I hope you guys are having a great, fabulous week. We're right in the middle of it, of course. I try to do Wednesdays and Saturdays unless something crazy happens, and then I'll tell you about that in my community page. If you're subscribed, because you can't see anything on my community page unless you're subscribed, girl. It's a perk. As Autumn says, it really is. Actually, girl, I have an unboxing today. A very special unboxing. It is the Fashion File Reserve piece that I started in January. I got out at the end of March. This is a holy grail piece for me. This is something that when I first saw it, was like, no, I don't like that. I don't need that. What? No. But then, of course, the more and more I saw one, the more and more I wanted one. This colorway that I got, I will just tell you, it's not available on the Louis Vuitton site right now, but you can find tons on Pre-Love. The only problem is, I got this right before the price hike, okay? And this particular bag went up $500. I got this, I think, maybe $300 to $400. I got this bag already $500 below list. I know. Are you guys intrigued? Okay, that is coming up. Hold on just a second, though. Teaser for you. I am still... Girl, she can't stop carrying this damn bag. I love it. I just love it, guys. I can't... I just can't help it. Maybe I got a little purse piece after this. No. Y'all know that's crazy talk. Okay, so that's bag of the day. The scent of the day is this MCM. Smells so good. I feel a little like, it's got a little florally musk in there. I didn't look at the notes on this. We will examine that at another time. But yeah, this MCM fragrance, it's unisex. So delicious on the skin. The open, I guess that's what the the perfume people call that when you spray it, first spray. The open to me is, I'm not feeling it, but when it dries down, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So give it a little bit of time. On my skin, I love it. Oh my gosh, let's give it another spritz. Yes, girl. Oh, so good. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. It's tiny because you know your girl likes tiny bags, except for this. I mean, this one's not tiny to me, but this bag though. Okay. You get all of your, I'm gonna take the receipt out and put it over here. But you get all of the, you know, feels from Fashion File. Still in April, guys. We're still getting the, I don't know why this bothers me. It's that I bought too much. They probably do this every year. I just don't buy as much as I have this year. I went just a little gall-darned crazy. Okay, so your funfetti's in there. Okay, just some trash. God, I am excited. Okay, so this one came as very good. So I'm hoping that it's really excellent and they're just not overstating, right? Sometimes they do that. Sometimes they'll tell me, like this one, it was cheaper because I feel like it didn't have a dust bag or a box. So, and this one doesn't either. So I think they really sort of jack up the price a little bit when everything is involved, the little cards and all the, but I don't care about that. I really don't, girl. Okay, let's get into it because it's killing me. You guys kind of tell from this, okay? Hi. Girl, it is the Coussin. It is the Pochette Coussin in the blue, and it is like a red color, I think. Yeah. Girl, what in the... Oh, God, let me look at it. She's gorgeous. Okay, she's gorgeous. Now, I was worried that because it was so much cheaper than all the rest of them, and now, if you think about it, this is $900 below list what these retail for from Louis Vuitton. Now this particular one, like I said, it's not showing available on the website, but the ones that are available in, they're all one color right now. I think there's like a gold and a black one, maybe a tan. I don't remember. But this particular kind with the different colors, so I believe it was $25.50 when they had this color, right? Then it went up to like $28.95 or something like that. So they raised the price. Girl, I waited on this one and got it for I want to say 1950-ish, around in there, 1945 on this, which worried me a little bit because I thought, well, wait now, hold up. Is the strap missing? And it said, comes with the strap, but there was no bells and whistles. I didn't get a bag. I didn't get a box. I didn't get, the dust bag, anything. Nothing extra on this bag. And they did point out some corner wear on this corner, but I'd be daggone if I can see any. You see that? So this corner was supposed to have a little, it doesn't look like any wear at all. And there might be some scuffs over here, maybe a little darker colored, like a discoloration. I can see that from where somebody's gone in the bag on this side. Yeah, that makes sense. Also showing there was this indentation, which I also think brought down the price of this bag because that is where the zipper stays. So when you've opened the bag on either side, the zipper, if you clasp it with it open, the zipper's going to leave an indentation. There's no getting around that. That's not a flaw. That's just a design flaw in the bag. I mean, that's just one of the things that this does because this is lambskin, girl. Oh my gosh, I am feeling it, and it really is like a cushion. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I wonder if I could sleep on this tonight. I'm just kidding. But part of me's not. I am excited. Oh my gosh. So I love this bag, guys. I know I've said that like 15 times this year, but I freaking love this bag. This is not leaving my collection for a while, unless of course somebody wants to offer me something crazy and then everything's for sale, girl. No, seriously, I need to carry this because I love it. And somebody was telling me that it was a really small bag, that they had seen it when it first came out at one of the boutiques, and they said, oh, it's really small. And I was like, you know me, right? She's never going to have a problem with that. Well, the one thing I do. But bags, the smaller, the better. I love this. Oh my gosh, it does not look carried at all, girl. There is no wear on here. Okay, let me take this out. Ooh, chunk chain. Give me that chunk. Give me that funky, that chunky. Oh, she's got some heft. Yeah, I was going to say girth, but that's not right. She's got some weight to her. Okay, I am not mad at you. Come through. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, hold on. Let me show you the inside. We'll do an autumn spin because I forgot to on that heart bag last time. It's got a pocket up front, and then it's like a double pochette almost. So it's got two pockets, the zip, and then the open pocket where you can put all your crap. Oh, it's got this little card holder slot right here, which I think is great. Hoping you can see that. Oh my gosh, I love. Let me see. So these magnetized on each side, and I get that to keep the flap down. That was one of the things from the Christmas animation Felici that I did not like, was that it tended to curl up on the sides. I don't think this will do that as bad. Maybe it will a little bit, but because those two, right? God, guys, what do you guys think? Okay. This chain, though, can get it. Girl! Oh, this chain can get it. This whole bag can get it for me, honey. Oh my gosh. It's just, it's just Mariah Carey songs all the way with this damn bag. Like, I've got a vision of love, and it was more than you'd given me. I realize. Okay, seriously though, I do have a vision of love on this bag. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna keep gushing. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna do the autumn spin. bottom. And here's the top. OMG. Now I can already tell you this chain is, you know, I can eyeball a chain and see that she's not gonna be the one, but man, this chunky mother effer. It is chunked. What? Okay, I could deal with that. But I'll probably extend it anyway. You know how I do. I'm crazy like that. But ooh, I love. Girl, let's get a room. Oh my gosh. And guys, about this chain. So let's just fully get into it. This chain is also, whoops. You can use this as like a bracelet. Now the bigger ones, you can actually use the chain as a necklace. I guess I could, it's just huge. But you gotta double it up on that. But this little thing right here comes off with the LV on it, and then you can wear it. Oops, I'm on the wrong side of things here. And then you can clasp, oh, it works perfect. It would work for me so good. A bracelet too? When I'm not wearing the bag, like I could totally get down with just wearing this out. Y'all know my love for bracelets is so big. Okay, yes, I am not mad at you. This is a friggin' win. It's just a win, guys. We're putting this in the win column. I have purse piece now. I'm kidding, but oh my gosh, I should. This chunky chain. When I tell you this chain is hefty, she's a big one. She's got some weight, girl. Okay, I wanted to show you, probably about 3 years ago, I want to say this has been about 3 years ago, there was a sketchy ass site, and of course I went on it one night, and just for grins and gigs, I bought this Louis Vuitton strap. And I put it in a drawer. I haven't taken it out. But I realized the other day, like, I know this is supposed to be like a pinkish color in here. But girl, I think, would this work? I really think it would. Okay, I think it would. So I was like, wait a minute, win column, let's try it. Yeah, I don't trust the authenticity of this strap. For what I paid for it, I know it came in a Louis Vuitton dust bag. It has real vachetta on it. But the site was sketchy, and also I think I paid $100 to $200. It wasn't a lot. But so that's what prompted me to think, you know, this is too good to be true, because it normally is, right? But I mean, oh, wait. Let's do it over here. Yeah, and another reason, it's really short. And I think the authentic guitar straps that went with the multi-pochette accessoire, I think they run a little longer, right? So, yeah. But seriously, I am not, what do you guys think? Does this go? Does this go? Yes! Girl, okay, an extender is needed. An extender is needed. I feel you. I have a bunch of those now. Yes, girl. Okay. I am in love. What are your thoughts? Do you think I could get away with carrying this dubious strap? And I don't know why. Well, of course you can't resell stuff that you suspect is not legit. I would never do that. But I've never used it because, you know, once I took it out of the thing, I probably unboxed it and I was like, okay, what am I going to put this on? Or probably realized it was too short, and that was the tip-off. I don't remember what the tip-off was, but I was like, I don't think so. It's all metal. All the stuff, hardware's, I don't know on this, man. It's weird. I should have it authenticated, because maybe just whoever sold it to me lost their damn mind. I don't know. Or did they even make a strap like this? That's where we need to start the hunt there, don't we? Okay. Anyway, I love this bag. I am, when I tell you I'm all the way here for it, it doesn't even tell you my heart, the heart feels that I get from merely looking at this bag. So remember I got that YSL I did a reserve where I bought a YSL puffy. It was like a Lulu wallet, and I just was like, I'm not, So I sent that back. Well, that was $500 and some odd. So I immediately took that and put that money over here, and then I've just been chunking away at it, and I'm so excited. My Digit account finally got up to like over 800, and I think I owed maybe right at 9 on it. So, girl, I think I only had to come out of my YouTube money like $100 this month to get it. So I was so excited. I'm just tickled, guys. I'm just tickled. I'm glad that I didn't put it on a credit card, so that would have been bad. And you know, our rule now, we can't do that anymore. She got into so much trouble, but yeah, so this thing's mine. She's paid for. It's good. Everything is good. Yes. Okay. Tell me everything you feel about this bag, your hopes, your dreams, your aspirations, your thoughts. I mean, oh, I had it backwards, didn't I? No, I don't. Okay. I love it. I love it. I will do a what fits on the end of a video one day just to see, you know, because I'll have a play around with it and look. But God, it looks brand new. Like almost $900, I think, off list on this bag at this point. All day long. Yes! All right, guys, I will see you back here this weekend on Saturday. I'm not really sure what's going on. Do I have a collab? Maybe. Maybe the gals will collab with me, or maybe, I don't know. I'll have to come up with something. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Don't work too hard. Leave me all your comments. Hit the subscribe button. You will love it, I promise. And also, you know, get that notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video, okay? All right, guys. Love you so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. And remember, if y'all see my husband, though, seriously, like, for real, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, I wanted to take the end of the video up and show you all something that my daughters made for me out of my shopping bags. They went to like Michael's and got this little handy dandy and then made me this little picture of my bags. I think that's totally cute. I mean, what else are we going to do with these bags, guys? I give them out when I sell. If I sell something and I have a bag, I will provide them a bag. But yeah, we just got too many. And these were the holiday edition bags. So this was, right, this year. I think this was last year and this was the year before. So yeah, I've got 3 years of bags, girl. Thank you to my daughters who are so sweet and creative and nice most of the time. I love you. All of the time. Yeah. Yes, girl. My little sweet girls made me a gift. Can y'all believe that? Little bitches.